As basic protective measures against the new coronavirus, World Health Organization recommends to regularly and thoroughly clean hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water since it kills viruses that may be on the hands. According to WHO, hands are the main pathways of germ transmission. Thus, hand hygiene is therefore the most important measure to avoid the transmission of harmful germs and prevent infections. At last, WHO states that frequent use of alcohol-based formulations for antisepsis tends to cause drying of the skin unless humectants or other conditioning agents are added to the formulations. At Laramida Pharma, we take all WHO recommendations very seriously. That is why we have developed Beltranex, following all recommendations and comments expressed by the World Health Organization. Beltranex, an exclusive cosmetic formula of Laramida Pharma, is an alcohol-based sanitizing gel enriched with hyaluronic acid and the compendium of active materials that will perform a quadruple impact on your skin: deep cleansing, moisturizing, antioxidating, and anti-inflammatory, while avoiding any irritation or dryness. It is very easy to use, since it is a leave-on formula which you should apply generously to hands every time you are in contact with objects that are exposed to general public. You may use it at home every time you use the bathroom and before and after food preparation, before and when visiting the nursery, schools, nursing homes, and any public spaces. Beltranex can even be used to clean your makeup and grooming devices. Also, we suggest to use it before and after, and throughout when using public transport, or even after using house cleaning duties. Keep Beltranex in every part of your house, in your car, and in your purse to feel protected everywhere. Beltranex, 4-in-1 action. Deep cleansing, hydrating, antioxidating, and anti-inflammatory. Non-drying, non-irritating, safe for any age group and sensitive skins. For more information, please visit Beltranex.com. Buy online or ask your pharmacist. Beltranex is a natural product from Laramida Pharma, made in Spain, dermatologically tested, and has no contraindications. Laramida Pharma is a brand of Laboratorio Español de Investigación Cosmetológica.